With just 4 drawings, you can create complex eye animation. Maybe you will ask me, is that possible? This video will guide you on how to achieve this goal. First, I'll explain the method to construct a simple eye rig regardless animation software you use. We need 4 drawings to assemble the eye rig. They are the eyeball, pupil, top lid, and bottom lid. You stack them in a particular order. Then voila, you have an eye rig. But wait a minute. We have several problems here. The eyelid covers the eyeball's outline. An additional problem is the pupil needs to be visible only inside the eyeball area. To solve these problems, we can use the basic blend mode we learned from Computer Graphics 101. Since the fill color of the eyeball is white, we can use the multiply blend mode. Every pixel on top of a white pixel of the eyeball drawing will be visible. Every pixel on top of a black pixel or transparent pixel of the eyeball drawing won't be visible. In simple terms, the multiply blend mode in this context is cutting an image along the contour of the eyeball image. So, we cut the top eyelid, the bottom eyelid, and last, the pupil. With these 3 cuts in hand, the next step is to stack the 3 cuts on top of the eyeball drawing. There is another additional problem, however. We need to do the pixel multiply operation using the same eyeball contour 3 times. This is non-efficient. The most efficient way is to combine or overlay the 3 drawings first, then multiply the result with the eyeball drawing. The final step is to stack the cutting outcome above the eyeball drawing. This method can be implemented in whatever animation software you choose. In this video, I'll use OpenToonz, a free and open-source animation software. Let's start a new project, and we call it Eye Animation. In the first column or layer, we create a new level. We will create 4 drawings. Let's draw the eyeball, pupil, top, and bottom eyelid. Next, we move the last 3 drawings to their own column or layer. To make life easier, let's rename the columns so we can identify eye elements fast. We call it eyeball, pupil, bottom lid, and top lid. We want to be able to squash and stretch the whole eye structure. To achieve this, we must arrange the parent-child relationship between the 4 columns. Here is my parent-child relationship arrangement. The eyeball column is the parent of the other columns. As I've described earlier in the methods section, we must combine the 3 drawings before cutting them. In OpenToonz, we can use the Over Effect node. This node will stack 2 or more input images. The output of this node becomes the foreground image of the multiply blend mode. In OpenToonz, we can use the multiply Eno effect node to cut the result of the previous node. For the background image, use the eyeball drawing. This node automatically combines the outcome of the multiply operation with the background image, which is the eyeball drawing. So we don't need to do the last step. Now, the eye structure and its compositing pipeline are complete. We use this structure as the left eye. For the right eye, we only need to copy the columns or layers of the left eye to other columns. We need to rename the columns once again for easier identification. And that's it. we have an iRig ready for you to animate. Use standard animation tools such as translate, rotate, scale, and shear for each element. You can animate this rig for a wide range of eye animations, from simple eye blinking to more complex animation. For those who don't have time to create the rig from scratch, you can download the project file of this iRig. The link is in the description below. I hope this video is helpful for you in learning animation. If you find something useful, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.